Hi friends, Retail Daddy 1.7, in which are the categories we can use? Like number one, Kirana General Store, like our mini groceries, including your weighing machine, everything you can connect. Number two, supermarkets. You can do multiple, PC sharing, networking, everything with Retail Daddy. Number three, stationery shops. We have now Gorilla technology also, to simplify the stationery store business. You can make it very simple way. Number four, fertilizer stores. Number five, art and craft stores. Number six, automobile spare parts shop. Two-wheeler, four-wheeler, whatever it is, you will get all the reports, records, everything, including GST reports. Number seven, sari store. In the sari, there is a special type of barcoding, labeling, of course, required. Everywhere you can use this software. Number eight, gift and toys shop. In gift and toys shop, you have, too much items in the, stock inventory. There is some, we added some new technologies. With the help of the technology, you can, make barcode labels very quickly, very easy. And number nine, bakery shops, bakery business. Number 10, cosmetics and jewelry shop. Including 1 gram jewelry, you can make small barcode labels, everything from Retail Daddy. Number 11, apparel, retail shops, apparel shops, like garments itself, yes. Number 12, puja stores, puja items you can sell, you can use, touch panel interface for making the sales. A lot of features are there. Number 13, sports equipment stores, like sports items, gym items, whatever it is. There also you can use Retail Daddy. Number 14, bookstores, including, the author name, grouping. A lot of features are there in the books store. I even recently make a video, for the bookstore billing software. Number 15, computer and hardware store. You know that? Computer and hardware store. Number 16, electronics and lights. Lights, where we can use Retail Daddy 1.7. Number 17, furniture stores. Furnitures, home furnitures. Number 18, pet shops. Pet shop, toy food, the pet food and all, pet accessories, chains, a lot of things are there. Number 19, home appliances. Home appliances, a lot of items are there. Number 20, footwear shop. Footwear shop, you can use Gorilla technology also, because, footwear shop, there is too much inventory. Maybe you cannot add all the inventory into the billing software, so that you can use Gorilla technology, which is available with the Retail Daddy 1.7. Cosmetics shop, cosmetics, yes, and you will get all the expiry date list, everything with the Retail Daddy. Nursery, small nursery, big nursery, whatever it is. Mobile shop, you can manage even, the part number of the product, batch numbers of the products. Everything you can print it in the bill. It's also the mobile IMEI number you can mention. A lot of features are there. And 24, health and fitness stores. Yes, health and fitness stores. Number 25, stationery stores. Yes, stationery stores, everywhere we can use. And number 26, garment industry. Ready-made garments, unstitched garments, everywhere you can use Retail Daddy. There is so many special tags also available for garments business. And welcome to Retail Daddy.